What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Terry, and today I turned 40 years old. 40. So, I'm 40, and I decided to come to Vegas with my boys, and we're gonna hang out for the weekend. But I wanted to give you guys a quick room tour of where I'm staying. I want to stay like a king for my birthday, so why not pick a room fit for a king? So I am staying in the Venetian, which is like the middle part of the strip. Pretty good location as it relates to the strip. Check-in was simple. So I want to give you guys a quick tour of the room. We're on the 14th floor in a tower suite, and these doors to the bathroom are just amazing. I'm gonna give you guys the full view. So the bathroom has double doors. So when you first walk in, there's some nice marble flooring, and the bathroom is the first thing. And so you open the bathroom and oh my God, you're just blown away. I mean, it's breathtaking. You got the crown molding up top. You got the double sink, the his and hers. You got the powder setup right there. Nice jacuzzi tub. Nice shower. Shower's pretty nice. Got your towels waiting on you. Cool fixtures. You got the doo-doo room in here. This is where all the doo-doo goes on. And then you go out of the restroom, so there's plenty of space in here. And then you got the nice bed, fit for a king. Let's see, you got TV over here. And then there's your closet. See, I got my bag in here. There's your closet. You got your standard robes. I got my golf clubs. We're playing golf. They got a nice safe for you to put stuff up. Some good mirrors around here. And watch your step. There's another like sitting area. And this couch can pull out as another bed. And we got a pretty decent view. Too bad it's not summertime, the pool's closed. But our view is of the pool. Nice little workstation. Handy dandy plugs. Nice little table for the guys to hang out. And there is the view. There's the view of the full room. So I think it's gonna be pretty good. I booked this room on Southwest Vacations, and so got a really good deal. It was $900 for the room and the flight for 4 nights. So room, flight, all $900. So I think it was well worth it. I think I'm gonna be comfortable for my birthday weekend, and that is it. So if you are ever in Vegas, or if you're ever planning to go to Vegas, I highly recommend that you look up the Venetian. It's located in a great spot on the strip. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Wilson for real. And until next time, I'm going to holler at you. I'm out. Peace.